YouTube, how you doing today? Well, I'm making this video to show you my motorcycle because I showed you, made that video of my motovlogging setup on my helmet, showed you my helmet. Well, then show you my motorcycle. Well, I ride a Honda Shadow Spirit. It's a shaft driven, carbureted. It's 750, it's not too bad, it's something to ride. Here we go. Get my finger out of the lens. But show you around. Clutch handle's been bent because I've laid it over once. Got a dent in the tank right here. When I laid it over, the guy come running up, said, "You're alright?" I said, "Yeah, I'll be fine as long as the chrome on my motorcycle ain't messed up." But I laid down on the other side, on the left side, so all the chrome on this side was up. And the thing that helped the other side was from getting damaged too much was my leg. It ate all the lace holders off my boot. Ripped off the peg when I done that, and this was like 5 years ago. It done all that, but here it is. It ain't got the bags on it right now. I have saddle bags for it, but they're in the house because they're leather. I just got through conditioning them. But it's got a 21-inch front wheel, just 750, completely stock. And that's it, and here we go. Just old stock 750. That's it. That's what I ride. I'm like a damn gorilla on a fucking tricycle on this son of a bitch, all cramped up. But I ride it at 300 to 400 miles at a trip. Well, I'm done freezing my ass off out here showing y'all my motorcycle. So see y'all later.